Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. We got another hard reset for you. Today we're doing the Vortex HD65 Choice. Vortex does it weird. Like they have four models that are the HD65, and then it's either the Choice, the Ultra, the Pro, etc. So they are all different in size, shape, and quality, I guess is probably the best way to put it. But if you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if anything important on here, it's definitely going to get deleted. And if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets coming up, so we'd appreciate the support if you could. Otherwise, let's get into here. First thing we want to do is make sure that the phone is off, which it is. You can either pull the battery, turn it off with the power button, and then we want to hold the volume up and the power button at the same time. And I'm going to start off by holding the volume up and then hold the power button. It does take a second to kick in. There we go. It gets our boot options. Your volume up is to scroll and then volume down is to select. So we want the arrow to be pointed on recovery. I'm just going to hit volume up a couple times just so you guys can see how that works, and then hit volume down. And then from here, should load us either to the no command screen or right into our recovery option. There we go, recovery options right there. So what we want to do is use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we're going to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, scroll down, confirm again. So now it should be deleting. Now it's done, and now we can either reboot or power off, and in this case, oops, almost dropped the phone. I'm going to power it off. But if you did reboot it, it would just load to the welcome screen, and you can set it up how it was when you first got it, and then to the home screen from there. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, comment, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.